Hi, how are you everyone? I am going to make the Italian dish Piedmontese, roast capsicum the Wombat way. Before starting, please click like and subscribe. Thanks mate! I'm using burger this time, but you can use rice, quinoa or couscous if you prefer. Let's start. Heat up a pot over a mid-heat and add 15 grams of butter then melt it. Half cup of burger and stir well. Add 1 cup of water then reduce heat to low. Cover with a lid and simmer for 15-18 minutes. Once the water is gone, turn off the heat and leave it stand. In the meanwhile, chop quarter each of red onion, slice 2-3 olives, mince 1 garlic clove, add the onion and olives into the cooked burger. Also half tablespoon of pepitas, the minced garlic, half tablespoon of olive oil, half teaspoon of salt and 1/8 teaspoon of pepper, then mix well. Next, making the basil sauce. Put 20 grams cashew into a blender, crush them, and place them into a bowl. Using the same blender, add 20 grams of basil, half teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, squeeze half each lemon, blend well. Pour the basil sauce into the bowl with the cashew, then mix well. Next step, preheat an oven to 190 degrees. Cut the capsicum in half and remove seed. Put the capsicum into the baking dish and add the cooked burger to the capsicums. Add the cherry tomato to the capsicum. Drizzle 1 tablespoon of olive oil on the capsicum. Cover them with a baking paper, then put them into the oven for 40-45 minutes. After 45 minutes, place a bocconcini on the capsicum. Then bake it in the oven for 7-10 minutes. After 7-10 minutes, add the anchovies and the basil sauce, then serve. So easy to make and they look stunning at a dinner party. Thank you for watching. See you next time.